just a quick recipe for maybe a lunch or a snack, or even for your main meal like I'm having it here. Hello everyone, so tonight I'm making a quick omelette for myself for my tea. And so I've got 2 eggs whisked up in there with salt and pepper, and I've laid it with some lovely green spinach, which obviously is very healthy. That's now going to set into the egg, and then I'm going to put inside, these are the Tikka bites. I was told that these are 1 sin each, but I scanned them on the Slimming World app and they're not. 5 sins for 3 meatballs, which weigh 50 grams, or just, I think there might have been 49 or something like that. So that's 5 sins, but that's going to be very tasty. I've got 2 spring onions that I've chopped up, and I have my healthy extra A measurement of 40 grams of mozzarella cheese. And so I think that is going to make an excellent little omelette. Well, quite a big omelette actually. And so I'm just going to now lay all this stuff inside and then put a lid on. And so I'm going to sprinkle over me bits of meatball. These are the Tikka meatballs. And so pop them with bits all around like that. And then I'm going to pop some onion, sprinkle the onion all over, and then top with the cheese. So this is going to take me about 5 or 10 minutes, and I'll have a very nice tea. I'm going to have with a bowl of mixed salad with some peppers and different bits and pieces in there. So then I'm going to sprinkle the cheese right over the top. A little bit more. I'm just going to tip that off the scales like that. So there we are. So I'm now going to pop a lid on so that all the steam will melt all the cheese and heat everything up, and I'll let you see it when I finish. So I'm now going to take the lid off and have a look. I'll put a few cherry tomatoes on for an extra bit of speed. Oh my goodness, look at that. Ooh, and that looks really nice and browned as well. And around the edges, look at that. Let's have a look under there. Oh yes, that looks nice. Right, and all the cheese is melted and everything's lovely and warm. So I'm going to tip that out onto my plate now. It's got my face with it. If you try one of these, let me know. I'm going to try and be clever and see if I can tip it out without it. Oh, here it comes. Hey, look at that. Ooh. Nearly centre of the plate. I think I can pull it over a little bit. Oh, that's hot. Maybe not with my fingers. There we go. Put my tomatoes back on again. And I've got a lovely spicy omelette. Tikka meatballs. Cheese, tomato, onions and spinach. Look at that.